I chose myself. That is the whole story. Not because I stopped loving people, no. Not because I became cold, no. Not because I wanted to punish anyone with my absence, no. I chose myself because, at some point, I realized I had become too negotiable. My peace was negotiable. My time was negotiable. My boundaries were negotiable. My needs were negotiable. Even my own discomfort had become something I tried to explain away so other people would not have to feel responsible for noticing it. And that is not love, no. That is disappearance with good manners. Many people think choosing yourself means becoming selfish. But often, choosing yourself means finally becoming honest. Honest about what drains you. Honest about what diminishes you. Honest about the rooms you keep shrinking to remain acceptable. Honest about relationships where your presence is welcomed, but your truth is not. Choosing yourself is not always a dramatic exit. Sometimes it is a quiet correction. Because you stop begging to be considered. You stop auditioning for basic respect. You stop over-explaining your pain to people who benefit from not understanding it. You stop calling exhaustion loyalty. You stop calling silence peace. And no. Everyone will not applaud it. Some people prefer the version of you that needed permission. Some people preferred your uncertainty. Some people preferred your availability without your authority. So, when you choose yourself, they may call it distance. They may call it arrogance. They may call it fragility. They may say you changed. And perhaps you did. Good. Not every change is a betrayal. Some changes are recoveries. Some changes are the soul returning to its proper address. I chose myself. Not as revenge, no. As restoration. Not to prove a point, no. To stop abandoning the one place I am responsible for inhabiting. My own life. Because the truth is simple. You cannot build a sovereign life while constantly voting against yourself. You cannot become whole while treating your own needs as interruptions. You cannot keep betraying your center and call it kindness. So yes, I chose myself. That is the whole story. And if that disappoints the people who benefited from my absence, well, then perhaps my absence from myself was the real problem all along.